It is the time to file ITR, but make sure before filing the ITR you should download Form 26AS. What is the importance of Form 26AS? What are its components and how to download Form 26AS? Let us know through this video. Hello everyone, my name is Nitya Nair and today I am here to tell you about what is Form 26AS and its importance. Let's first talk about what is Form 26AS. Form 26AS is a tax credit statement which includes all the details of whatever tax is deducted at your source and whatever tax is collected at your source, that is completely deposited at Income Tax Department. So the complete details of these TDS and TCS can be shown under Form 26AS. Form 16 and Form 26AS are the most important documents that are required while filing ITR. Form 26AS provides you the details of the TDS deducted at any of your income. It could be if you have invested in any post-savings scheme, that TDS deducted, or bank interest or any dividend income that you have invested, the TDS deducted on all these incomes can be provided to you by Form 26AS. Along with this, Form 26AS also share the details of any advance tax or any self-assessment tax if you have paid. Form 26AS is divided into 7 parts. Let's talk about them in detail.
First, Part A. Part A contains details of tax deducted at source, and Part A is further divided into A1 and A2. A1 provides you the details of tax deducted at source for 15G and H, and Part A2 provides you the details of tax deducted at source on sale of immovable property under Section 194IA, TDS on rent of property under Section 194IB, TDS on payment to resident contractors and professionals under Section 194M for seller, landlord of property, payee of resident contractors and professionals. Part B. Details of tax collected at source. It contains details on tax collected at source by a seller of goods. Part C. Details of tax paid other than TDS and TCS. Part D. Details of paid refund. Part E. Details of SFT transaction. SFT transaction means specified financial transactions. Part F. Details of tax deducted on sale of immovable property under Section 194IA for buyer of property. TDS on rent of property under Section 194IB. TDS on payment to resident contractors and professionals under Section 194N. Part G. TDS defaults. Processing of defaults. If there is any default in processing of statement, then such defaults will be mentioned in this part. Part H. Details of turnover as per GSTR 3B.
So now let us talk about how to view and download Form 26AS. So Form 26AS can be downloaded by 2 ways. The first one is internet banking facility. So this internet banking facility to download Form 26AS is available only with few banks which are already authorized by Income Tax Department. So make sure if your bank is authorized by Income Tax Department, then only you can download the Form 26AS through that bank. Other than this, the official website of Income Tax Department can help you to download the Form 26AS. The steps are:
firstly, you have to visit the e-filing website. At the right panel, you will find the login option. You have to enter the user ID and password. It could be your PAN or Aadhaar number. If the user ID is invalid, error message will be displayed. Once you enter the password and continue, the following screen will appear. Go to e-file, click on Income Tax Returns and select View Form 26AS in the drop-down. Click on Confirm to the disclaimer so that you are redirected to the Traces website. Herein you have to select the assessment year and the format you want to see is in front of you. You can either view here or can download it as a PDF. Here you can see the permanent account number, that is your PAN, the financial year, the assessment year and the details of tax deducted at source. Further, you can download this Form 26AS in a PDF format as shown here. Once you have downloaded it, you can save it in your laptop or PC and you can simply file your ITR.
One important thing to note here. Make sure that Form 26AS is verified with your TDS certificates. TDS certificates are Form 16 for salaried individuals and Form 16A for non-salaried individuals. Let us talk about the points that you must verify with your TDS certificate and Form 26AS.
Make sure the name, PAN number, TAN details, refund amount that are correctly reflected in TDS certificate and Form 26AS. Verify if the tax deducted at source is shown as the same in the TDS certificate has been received by the government. Check if the TDS mentioned in Form 16 or 16A is reflecting in Form 26AS correctly. If these details are not shown correctly, you could be penalized by the Income Tax Department.
Introduction of Annual Information Statement, that is AIS. Recently, the government has introduced AIS for the taxpayers, which includes the information that are in advance in compared to Form 26AS. So the details that are provided in AIS are
foreign remittances, off-market transactions, interest on income tax refunds, mutual fund purchases and dividend details, and breakup details of salary and ITR information of another person.
The reason behind the introduction of AIS is that the Income Tax Department wants to make the ITR filing smooth. So AIS pull out the previous data of the taxpayers and provide the information about the pre-filed returns of the taxpayers. Along with this, in AIS, if you find any mismatch, you can report it directly to the Income Tax Department through the feedback option. So here is all the information regarding Form 26AS. If you want to further know about more information for tax, you can visit Tax2Win website, as Tax2Win is India's tax expert and we are always at your help for smooth ITR filing.